So I'm just taking this on my cell phone, but I wanted to give a 262 XP addendum because I got something that's driving me nuts. On the parts diagrams, this is correct for the throttle lock spring on the 262. I happen to have this saw here, and I actually pulled both pins out, and the trigger still works and is on a spring. And I figured that there were two separate springs, but there aren't. What's going on is the spring that's in here is actually broken, and whoever did it decided that they would, yeah, see? Right there, that should be sticking up. There's only one spring in this whole assembly, and this is actually shortened. Somebody cut that, I think. So I wonder if I can get this whole assembly out. Forward. There we go. So just so everybody can see, that's wrapped around there and tensioned. And so here's the new one, and it's in that orientation. Unfortunately, it looks like we actually have to take the handle off in order to get this trigger out. Mostly because I can't pull it from underneath. That's too narrow. Okay, let's take the handle off. Handle's off. Let's see if this just comes up and out, which it does. Boing. That looks like that spring needs to get on there and then get sprung back. Let's see if I can do that. So it looks like it goes on here like this, and this goes back in here, but you want to spring this back first, I think. Not bad for one-handed, huh? Okay, now we got this thing sticking up. Good. So let's put the pin back here. Pause. So that pin just gets tapped in with a hammer. And now we've got this thing sticking up to contend with. New part. Probably hold this down. This goes in. Oh, there we go. Okay. So the spring here comes around like that. So this plastic goes on that side of the spring, believe it or not. Spring goes up and under. This has got to go and line up with the pin there. Let's put the pin in. Again, I'm just going to hammer the pin in with the hammer. The pin's hammered in. Now this feels good up and down. That feels good, and this locks. There you have that. Now, I was wondering why I was getting so frustrated. Well, now if you get frustrated and you look me up, now you'll find this. So, let's put this back together and get it running. Just wanted to do a quick throttle lock video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.